There is a difference between being alone and feeling lonely. There are hermits literally living in caves just down there in the Wudang Mountains in China that live by themselves for years, but they don't feel lonely. So if you feel a sense of emptiness or loneliness, that is really disconnection. Disconnection from yourself, from other people, and from nature, from the mystery, from the cosmos. In today's Tai Chi practice, I would love to share with you some ideas and some movements to reconnect with yourself and with life. And so when you're ready, I invite you to meet feet together, hands by the sides, taking a breath, breathing out. Our Tai Chi salute, fist with the right hand, palm over with the left, a bow acknowledging yourself for showing up for your practice. Left hand picks up the left leg, Chi Gong standing. So we're going to spend a bit of time here to start. Imagining a piece of string attached to the heavens, feel a lengthening of your spine. The feet spreading, the knees softly bent. Slight tuck in the bum. Shoulders relaxed. Slight tuck of the chin, so the back of the neck is long. Breathing down into the belly. The two tiger mouths coming together. Placed just below the belly button. Maybe closing the eyes here. And let's begin to slow the breath down. Can you slow your breath? Let's take a few balanced breaths together. Breathing in for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing in, softening the face, relaxing the forehead, the eyes, the cheeks. Breathing out, softening the jaw, your whole face sinking. Breathing in, down into the belly, feeling the breath sink deep down into you. Breathing out, the tongue resting lightly on the roof of the mouth. Breathing in, arriving here, now. Breathing out, softening the mind, the body. Last one, breathing in. Breathing out. Continuing to watch your breath, the movement of the air come in and out through your nostrils. The breath is one of those everyday miracles. 20,000 times a day you breathe. You don't need to think about it. And yet, as you are present now with your own breath, you begin to automatically reconnect with the mystery of life. Snatching oxygen out of thin air. Oxygen that was created by all of the plant life. Our atmosphere almost totally made from the product of plants. And the breath is breathing itself. No force, no control. So even if the mind tells you you're disconnected or you feel empty, you are connected to life in so many ways, and starting with just the breath, just simple breathing. Can you rest with your breath? Keeping that stillness and presence as we begin our movement. Tai Chi walking. Tai Chi walking is rolling from heel to toe. Trusting your feet, so not needing to look down. You totally load one foot and then empty the other foot. Light, sink, and then feeling the rolling of the weight. Can you be really present now with the distribution of the weight? Every step. Moving meditation. It's so easy to focus on what our next step is. Tai Chi helps us arrive in this step. And as we begin to arrive in this step, I invite you now to connect with the fact that if you're at home, you're being held by the floor, and the floor is being held by the earth. So the earth holding you, no matter what headspace you're in, no matter what you're feeling, the earth is always there. This great, beautiful, pale blue dot floating in a boundless infinity. This pale blue dot, the home of millions and millions of species, billions of humans, all with their own unique experiences, conscious, aware. Species going through challenge, and yet the planet, the earth, ultimately holding all of us. The Taoists refer to the earth as the feminine, the great mother, the nourisher. And so can you feel the support of the earth in whatever way makes sense to you? It's not just little old you facing this big bad world outside of you. You come from the earth. It gave you your breath. It holds you up with every step. So not needing to get any of this intellectually. I'm not trying to convince you of anything. But maybe a sense of gratitude comes from when you're just present with your foot, with the connection to that which is bigger than yourself. Our next move, cloud hands, starting with one hand on the hip. We come across the body, scoop the energy across the body. Now you can see my hips are moving. So my hips move, the hand follows, the shoulders are relaxed through the whole movement. And let's change arms. Other hand going across the body. I'm being blessed by the rains from the heavens, cleansing. So hopefully those sounds can inspire you. Scooping the energy. coming across. Beautiful. Let's try both hands now. 2 circles going outwards across your face. The hips leading the movement. So we're on this journey of reconnection, reconnecting with ourselves and with life. We've reconnected with our breath, the earth holding us. As the Taoists say, rooted like a tree, floating like a cloud. So when we understand ourselves, there can be a lightness that comes from that. Why do angels fly? Because they take themselves lightly. And so here you are in this body with energy and chi to express. Life has given you, no matter your age, your fitness, stiffness, your trauma, things that have happened in your life, whether you're feeling disconnected or connected, you still have enough chi to move your body. And so reconnecting with your potential, your gifts, your embodied power, and the power that comes from softness, from acceptance. Because when we accept ourselves, we get out our own way, and that's how we begin to flow. So letting go, needing to get all of these words conceptually, and just moving your body now in presence, reconnecting with the power that you have. Maybe going for walking cloud hands. No right or wrong, just playing with walking with your cloud hands. Then reconnecting with joy and play, maybe adding a spin, freestyling, having fun, expressing your body like a Tai Chi warrior, floating like a cloud, rooted like a tree, making your movement more expressive now. No right or wrong, get out your own way. Reconnecting with your joyful center that comes from a lack of judgment. You already have it. Can you get out your own way and play? Another 20 seconds here. Well done. Can you keep going? And beginning to slow movement down. Slow your movement down. Embrace tiger, return to mountain. Embrace the challenge of your life, return to the place of perspective. Breathing in, breathing out. Left hand picks up the left leg, hands by the sides, Chi Gong salute, Tai Chi salute. Let me know if that helped you feel more reconnected. And if you want to keep reconnecting, the Taoist path is so beautiful. Master Gu and I made a completely free course explaining the whole system, simple videos to help you feel more balanced, clear, calm. If you want that, go to findbalance.now. I think you'll really enjoy it. And if you want to keep practicing here, there is a movement video for you and all my love and blessings for you to reconnect and to feel full of chi and joy.